Okay, so in this section number 3, we're going to finish out our um, early stages of creating a Weebly, part 3 here. So, final stage. So, at this point, we have looked at several different things about editing our different home pages and stuff like that. We've added um, YouTube videos, we've added pictures, we've added text boxes and title pages and all that good stuff. So at this point, I want to go to a different clean page and just kind of wrap everything up and then publish our site. Then take a look at settings and all that good stuff. So we're going to click on the About page. And let's say I don't necessarily want my About page to look like this. And I want to change the background of my of my About page. So I'm going to go to Design, and I'm going to click Change Background. And again, it gives us different options and stuff that we can choose from here. So I'm going to go with maybe a more urban feel. So let's go with Paris. Paris is always good. So we can select that one. So we'll click Paris. So and of course you'll save to this page only because I only want to address the About Me page. So this page you can actually see the difference between having just a clean header page or it being a landing page, which is what the home page is. The home page is the landing page. It has the buttons and all that good stuff. But your About page is much more simpler and cleaner. So the title of your website is still the same up here on all your pages, but you can adjust however you want to do that. So I'm going to click back on our build, which gives me our element toolbox over here. And I'm going to put a little bit about, and if you're like a teacher, this could be your About Me section. If you're a professional development person and you are creating a workshop, you could put what your session is going to be about, project identification, keywords, that kind of stuff if you're doing a project with it. So again, tons of different options to use Weebly for. I'm going to put about, or let's see, and let's say I want to not use the layout this time. I'm going to do some freelance. I'm getting kind of bold with this, and so I hope you are too. We're going to take our title bar and put that here, and we're going to, you can see the difference between the title and the text in just a second. The title obviously has a clear, bold statement in the lettering and the coloring and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to put headline there to kind of give us an idea of what that is. And then I'm going to put some text in here about and then of course you can type in till your heart is content about what that is. Let's say I want to put in a let's put in another video here. I've got a video of something that I did, and again, always watch that blue bar because wherever the blue bar is where your element is going to drop. So if I want it beside the text, I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to type in that URL again. And of course, that is our part 2 video. So kind of doing some multitasking here. Let's say I want to let that be my first section about me, and then I want to divide that and put in a second section on the About Me page. So I'm going to use my divider bar over there, and again, drop that. And let's say I want some space in between that first section and the second section. So I'm going to put a little space in there, and it's going to give me the option of how much space I want. So you can move and adjust that as you wish. It gives you some different options and stuff too. So I'm going to put in a file down here because I want to create a flyer or something if I have something up there. So I'm going to click upload file, and it gives you the option to upload like a PDF or a Word document or an image, however you want to do it. It gives you the options to choose, and you can upload it from your computer. Also, if you have a Flash medium that you want to put in there, you could also do that as well. It also gives you the option to embed a document through I believe it's Scribd, yeah, that word. And so if you want to, you click right there and you upload your file, and it kind of gives a preview window into what the document will look like and all that good stuff. If you have a copy of a HD video saved to your computer, you can also upload that and simply drop and drag that in, and it kind of gives you a warning here. And I believe this is perfect time to talk about upgrades. So this is an upgrade feature. So anything that you see with a little star beside it like that means that that is only for the paid services. So as you can see, anything with a star in the elements box is something that you can only add if you are a paid person. So yeah. So there's tons of different things that you could do. You could put in, let's see, an embed code right here. And let's say I want to embed a calendar. So I'm going to go to my settings and Google Calendar, and let's see. Well, you can do it at this point. Just to save time, I'm going to go ahead and skip that part. But you can embed Google Calendars and different things. We'll just do that for a different section. But at this point, let's go ahead and move forward. So anything you want, there's so many different options that you can input. HTML. You can also do a assignment form up here, and you can create what the name of the assignment will be. So let's see, homework assignment number 1. And what that'll do is students can put their names here or and their emails there, and then they can upload their file straight directly to you. And then whatever email you choose, by clicking here on form options, you can name the form. You can set like a confirmation message. You can look at the different type of button you want to choose, but this is where you definitely want to make sure you've got your email address so students send it to the right thing. So that is there. So you'll click save, and you have a homework assignment option there. Okay, so let's say you're happy with your website, everything is good to go. You can click settings, and this will kind of give you just a major overview of what your website is looking like at this point before you publish. This is your website address, ultimatewebcreator.weebly.com. this name or the title of my website is as it shows here. And then, of course, it shows you the different options that you can use to upgrade with. Sometimes you can do like a site password if you want this to be a protected situation. And then just kind of goes through the different options and stuff that are available here. All of this stuff gives you the option to allow other people to join in as editors, which is also a good way to address student involvement. You can add them on and do project websites, and all that good stuff. So if you're happy with the settings, click X and then you just press this publish button. And then it asks you again, like it did in the beginning, are you sure this is the subdomain you want to use? If you have a new domain you want to try to use, or one that you've already have and want to transfer it, but it gives you the option to create or continue here. So I'm going to continue because again, I like free. So continue. It is publishing. And congratulations, your website is published. So again, this is just a very kind of brief overview of how to create a Weebly website. There is so much more to it, and I'll be creating more informational videos later on, maybe kind of more broken up. So hope this is helpful, and if you need any help, just give me a shout out in the contact form. Thank you.